Welcome to Where's the Evidence? So, what exactly is an audit universe? Spoiler, it's not a Marvel spin-off. No one's flying through space with a cape and a checklist. At least, not yet. The audit universe is basically everything we could audit. Entities, functions, processes, systems, locations. It's our playground. If playgrounds were full of risks, controls, and passive-aggressive audit findings. Now, how do we know what to audit? That's where risk-based planning comes in. Because as much as we'd love to audit everything, we wouldn't. We actually have to be strategic. Risk-based planning is exactly what it sounds like. We audit the things most likely to explode, financially speaking. To get there, we assess risk, stakeholder interviews, control ratings, past audits, heat maps, and yes, occasionally a little political instinct. Shh. We score stuff, we rank it, and voila. Your annual audit plan is born. We submit it. It gets signed off, hopefully, and boom. We're officially annoying people on a schedule. But here's the best part. It's a living document. If something blows up mid-year, fraud scandal, cyber breach, guess what? We pivot. Auditors are basically professional risk responders, minus the cool uniforms. So, to recap, Audit Universe equals everything we could audit. Risk-based planning equals narrowing it down to what actually matters. Annual plan equals your golden ticket to making yourself, strategically unpopular. And if you're still confused, just remember, no one's ever said, "Thank goodness they audited our leave policy again." If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and remember, just because you can audit everything doesn't mean you should.